How to responsibly use deepfakes with Sora. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna explain how you can use Sora responsibly. Now this involves the use of deepfake, so let's begin. So if you didn't know, Sora is a video generation model developed by OpenAI, as you can see right here, which allows you to create short and realistic videos in which you can also use text prompts and images, including someone else's picture, to create videos. This is a really powerful AI tool which will let you create whatever you want. So, yeah, there is a lot of questions available about how you can use it. So, to responsibly use deepfakes with a tool like Sora, you will need to prioritize on explicit content. Now, using explicit content will save you from copyright issues, and you'll need to be transparent with people about why you are using their image and if you have the permission or not. The consent is everything here because using deepfakes, which does create hyper realistic videos, so yeah, you will need to get permissions for stuff like that. Also, about transparency, you will need to disclose AI generated contents. You will need to label the videos that you've generated clearly using the app itself. And yeah, you can you can use the AI. It's available everywhere, but you will need to disclose that the videos generated by them is from AI. You will need to use watermarks for it. You can also spread awareness for it. It's completely up to you about that. And yeah, you'll need to implement watermark and stuff. And also, you will need to work within regulations. You will need to use uh, good ethical standards and not use the AI app to create unnecessary contents. And yeah, that's how you can use deepfakes with Sora ethically. The important part is consent and transparency of the AI developed video by using watermarks or by informing your audience. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.